Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to reduce noise during meeting in Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to reduce noise during meeting in Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To reduce noise during meeting, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Go to Devices. This is already in the Devices menu, and there are several menu options. Activate it by tapping the Noise Suppression menu. Activating noise suppression in Microsoft Teams helps reduce background noise such as fan noise, typing, or traffic, so that the sound is clearer and focused on the conversation. So that's it, tutorial how to reduce noise during meetings in Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.